Yeah, it's hard to see because...
Wait, go by Rachel.
Go put it back and then run away. Come on.
No, Mom, he'll follow us.
Back.
Yes.
We do put him back,
But you keep running over there.
Yeah.
But he'll fly over there.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Again?
No, Missy. Go away. Okay. Go over there.
Okay.
Let Donald stand right there so he can go on Donald.
No, I don't even want him no more. I'm gonna smack him if he comes to me. Don't come if he wants. Come if he wants. Here he comes. 747. Come here, little fella. Come here, little fella. Come on. Tuck and roll. You are like no other.
Are you recording all this?
Yeah.
Hey!
Come here. Give me the hose. Come here. How you doing? You better not pluck at my ears because then he's gonna go.
Johnny, I want to see.
I was the pirate of the non-stop eating and pooping bird.
Here,
Come on,
come
Birdie,
here.
pick me. I'm your best
Come here.
fan. No, leave him alone, Chris. Yeah?
Come
Leave him
here.
alone.
Look at the camera. Don't pluck my eyeballs.
Don't worry. He popped.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come
I
on.
didn't like your hand.
There you go.
Too close.
Stop. Oh, I'm sorry. Did that bother you with my fingers closed? See if
What?
he does it again.
He's hungry. What?
There you go.
What?
He's trying to bring the hose in.
Oh! Oh, Chris! Nikki, now it's there.
Once they're gonna see a bee, I'm gonna kill it. Ah, go.